Hello dear students. After the first periodic exam, again we are meeting through this video. Today I want to start the second chapter of annual syllabus, English grammar. That is am, is, are plus ing form of verbs. So what does it mean? Am, is, are, these are all verbs. These are used in sentence, and how it is used you know all. Last chapter am, is, are, we have done lot of practice. This chapter we will learn to use ing form of verbs. Verbs means the main verb. Then in a sentence now we will see there are total two verbs. Am, is or are plus another verb. Another verb means another action word but in its ing form. Ing form means verb plus ing. Suppose dance. So dance is a concept. When I am adding ing, that means dance plus ing. What does it mean? Dancing. dancing. E will not be there. dancing. Dancing. So dancing, it is now an action. So to say something about the action, suppose somebody is performing anything or doing anything, so for that we will use the ing form of verbs. Why we will use? To show some or to explain some action. Suppose Neha is dancing. So here what I am using? Neha, one name. So I and you. Except I and you, whatever we will write, he, she, it or any name, then we will use is. That you know. Now Neha, one name, is, one verb, then another verb, dancing, dancing. So ing I have used. This is called the ing form of verbs. So Neha is dancing. So what does it mean? Now at present Neha is doing something. So what is she doing? She is doing dance. Okay. So dance, when I am saying Neha loves dance, try to understand. When I am saying Neha loves dance, then dance is a concept. What she loves? Dance. But when I am saying Neha is dancing, then it is an action. Neha is doing that work. Neha is doing one work or Neha is busy in some work. So what is that work? That is dancing. Okay. So sometime when I use ing with the verb, then it becomes a noun also. Dancing. If I say dancing is also one kind of exercise, means in the dance, why exercise? In the dance our body, our organ moves. Many children love to dance. So when you dance, your body movement is there. So if body moves in different angles, then it is one sort of exercise also. So if I say dancing is a good exercise, then dancing here it becomes noun. So there are many things that you must know, but here in this chapter there is, the chapter name is am, is, are plus ing form of verbs. Actually we are making you able to write different kinds of sentences. Here if you have the book, you just see the book and see the verbs are written here with the ing form. That means talking, walking and eating. You can see, if you have the book, then you can see here it is written talking, one number, talking, walking and eating. Then you see there are many other verbs also written with the ing form. Okay. So here you can get a concept of ing form. Here we will practice many sentences or we will explain many activities by this form of verbs. Am, is, are plus ing. So whenever you will go through the exercises, you will understand better. Now this is a short video just to explain you, nothing else, because by reading only you cannot understand everything. if you know something from your teacher, then you will understand better. So I always believe in better learning. That is why I first explain little bit so that you can understand and you can get energy to open up the book and read the book. Okay, so today I will not say many more. You have given a very good exam. Copy checking is going on. So today I am sending you this video just to make you understand what is the chapter we are going to follow, and what does it mean. What does it mean means ing form of verbs means what. So with the main verb, here you see one sentence in your book. If you see later, there are many sentences in your book, but here only verb plus ing means you have to add ing with the form of verbs. You can see exercise B in the page number 81. There you see nothing, just some words are written. Just you have to add the suppose here go, go plus ing, going. Here play plus ing, playing. In this way you have to write. Okay, and sentences if you want to prepare, that also we can give. And I said you Neha is dancing. Suppose my brother is playing. Okay, I am going to school. So in this way there are two verbs in the sentence. If I want to use that ing form of verbs in a sentence, I am, you are, he or she is, it is, or any other name, then also is, plus ing form of the main verb. Okay, so there are two verbs. So what are the name of two verbs? One is helping verb, another is main verb. What is helping verb? Which help the main verb. Okay, helping verb what? In these sentences, am, is, are. These are the helping verb. And main verb plus ing, it is the main verb of the sentence. So later we will understand more, and later we will explain also more. Now today this much. You just go through the chapter, nothing is there. Just you have to add ing with the verb, and you have to learn many more forms of main verbs. Okay, okay dear, bye, take care of your health.